Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video. It's just a regular process video. I'm going to be doing more of these in the year, and what I decided to do is I'm going to take this love cut file and use it on one of my last December documented December daily. I've got this video and one more video coming up that is December related, and I am done with December, and I'm excited for that. I have tons of videos. I do have, once I get the other video up and done, or like, you know, edited, then I'm going to come back in and do December daily share, just so that you have it here in January and whatnot. I decided to, on the months of everything that I have talked about for 2021, not only for Close to My Heart, but also just my Scrappy Goals. If you have not seen those two videos, I'm going to link those two videos down below for you to go back. They've just been the last few that I've done in January here. What I forgot to mention and what I'm excited for is I am only staying on 2 design teams for the year of 2021, and that's going to be Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, because y'all know I love her cut files, and then Shimmerz. Everything else for the year of 2021 is going to be all about collaborations and just all of that. So obviously Off the Board is going to stay. I did release a new series, well, it's a bring back series that I'm super excited for, which is Cut It Out with Lisa. We did this in the past, and now that she has a machine, she's back, and then we can do that. So obviously I'm bringing back, obviously for the year of 2021, Scrapless Sunday with Laura. Off the Board is staying, and obviously I always do the Twisted Sisters collaboration every other month when we get new product out. So I'm super excited for all of that to be on my channel, and I am going to be working more on just regular process videos. I just want to get caught up. Not that I want to get caught up to where I don't have anything to film, but I want to get some of those old some of the old stuff that I have sitting there that's not done on my channel, and just done in my life, so that I can say, yep, it's good, it's done, I love it, and that kind of thing. So this cut file is from Paige Evans. Obviously you can tell that it was up on top where the LOVE was on top, and I separated it and brought it to where it runs across. And I wanted these 3 photos to be on one side and obviously love on the other, and just run it a little bit differently, give it kind of that 2-page spread, but in one 12 by 12. You know, that traveler's notebooks that I constantly do all the time, which that's the other thing I want to bring back on my channel. I haven't done and got into those notebooks in a long time. Now, I know that you guys like all the 12 by 12s layouts and the 2-page spreads and all that, which, by the way, I think I'll probably bring back some of the 2-page spreads here lately. It may not be right away in January, but it'll be coming. But I am going to bring back all of that and then work in my traveler's notebooks, because I would love to be able to get some of the sections done, because they're hanging kind of over my head. I'm like, normally I'm done with them by now, but I just let them go off to the wayside and did other things, and I don't like doing that. I like to finish a project. And so, yeah, so that's kind of what is going to be there. Now, the month of January is just going to be all about finishing up those 1 to 2 layouts that I have left of something or another. I feel like sometimes I'll be like, oh, yep, because the season has switched, then my stuff has to switch. And that's not like what I should do, you know, for that. That's like, you know, to me in my brain, like, that's just dumb. So, obviously I'm going to have a fall layout, because I have one more layout to do in the fall for the castle trips. And then you'll see me bring back out the castles more towards springtime when I get out those collections to work with. I do more I'm more of a seasonal scrapper, but I like to finish up what I do. Obviously, you know, as a YouTube channel, you know, and as a YouTube, I guess, you know, I call myself an influencer because we kick out earlier in the month. So I started my December stuff in November and worked my way through, and here I am finishing up December, you know, December stuff, and I stopped doing the fall because I should have gotten, you know, that other layout done because, you know, you guys want to see the content, and I love doing this for you. Don't get me wrong, that's what all YouTubers do. We all do it. We all follow the seasons and the time and what's coming up. We do it earlier so that when you guys get ready to do it, it is there for you to go back and see whatever that is, right? So I can honestly say that that's the type of stuff that I'm working on throughout the year and whatnot, and but I want to finish those up. I do want to get those things done because they're hanging over my head like, why have just one layout left, right? Let's just finish it up. So here I am using the collections Hey Santa and the one the year before that, just to finish up that. I did not, well, I will take that back. I should be able to finish up using the November kit from Hip Kit. That one should be automatically done, or super duper close to where I can mix and mingle it with another collection, like put this collection and that collection together to finish it out next season, because obviously I don't have any more Christmas stuff to do until, you know, I print out all of my 2020 December daily documented stuff, you know. So yeah, that's where that's at. But ultimately I will have a layout share after I get done with that last layout. And here are those wonderful cute little snowflakes that I printed out. I'm going to put those in a little baggie, and I'm going to keep them and put them in with that because I'll use them. I'll keep using them. I may actually leave them out because I am going to do more December stuff. I have foshing that I would like to do in January, well, February, March probably, or January, the end of January through February. I want to knock out some of my foshing layout so that I can use up like December documented type, like wintry type collections that I have type of things, so that I can knock those out. But here I am, I'm knocking those out. I'm almost done. This is just a wonderful layout. It is of my daughter's concert in 2019. Obviously we didn't have one this year. My December documented looks very different, but it's still okay. Like, I don't have as much to scrap next year, but we stayed home. We were such a homebody, you know, for 2020, and I'm fine with that. Completely fine and content with that. So, but I still have a lot of documented things that I can document here coming up in the, you know, season for next, you know, into 2021 when I get to that time frame. But I'm just knocking out these little bits and bobs off of these collections, gluing everything down. I just love, like I said, I just love how this turned out. Make sure that you, if you are new, hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to have you. My goal is to get to 3,500 subscribers in the year of 2021. I'm almost there. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers is all I got left. And obviously I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. Sometimes I am actually 3 layouts a week. And I just love doing this. The amongst of everything else that I do in my life, this has been one of my joys. I just love doing this for you and for me, and just to show you the different ways to scrapbook and all of that jazz. Give you all the inspiration possible. So I hope that while I'm rounding this out, I am going to get out Shimmerz. Obviously, you guys know I love my Shimmerz. My Shimmerz that I'm getting out is Precious Metals, and that'll be linked down below. If you do purchase any Shimmerz, I do have a, you put my name in the comments and then you'll get a little freebie. Just plugging that in there. This isn't their layout, but you know, just to give you a freebie. Who doesn't want freebies, right? So I'm just putting that on there. I'm going to spray it, and then that is it. I'm going to leave you be with that. The still shots are coming up. Like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.